Weekend certifications won't teach you to handle a real client having a panic attack. They won't prepare you for the diabetic whose blood sugar drops mid-workout, or the client with a shoulder injury who needs modified exercises you've never seen before. Yet thousands of people think a weekend course and an online test will make them qualified personal trainers. Here's the reality. Successful personal trainers need real education and hands-on experience. That's why serious professionals choose accredited schools like NPTI Florida, where students get 218 hours of actual hands-on training with real clients in real gyms, not simulated scenarios or online videos. Actual experience. The curriculum covers everything you need: anatomy, physiology, nutrition, business management, and program design. But most importantly, you're working with real people facing real challenges under expert supervision. You learn to handle medical emergencies, modify exercises for injuries, and build programs that actually work. Weekend certification programs simply can't provide this depth. They give you a certificate, but they don't give you competence. And in an industry where people trust you with their health and safety, competence isn't optional. Your career success and income potential depend on being truly prepared. Choose education that prepares you for reality, not just a test.